Like the mommy was too shy. Now this guy teaches his children far away.
Hello. Dada o yẹ kí bàbá. Kí bàbá. Yakub babo. Oh sorry, okay.
Yeah.
Ìwọ náà ti gbọ́ Yorùbá?
Mo sọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá.
Ó sọ Yorùbá.
Ó ti já ẹjẹ.
Happy Salah o.
Happy Salah o, ṣé o. Báwo ni Natalia?
Dáadáa ni. Yes, I'm trying to manage the Yoruba Pikin, but it's not easy. You know?
I know, but you're trying. What you just did now, this ones can't speak. I'm trying to teach them seriously. So what you just did is really
I don't know. Baba, ṣé àwọn yín nìyẹn?
No, ọmọ mi rè o.
Okay, that's his daughter.
Okay, hi.
Hello, oya wá ṣe hello.
No?
Oya kí wọn. Ẹ sọ pé ẹ kúrò lẹ́ o. Ẹ máa lọ.
How you guys now? You guys inspire us a great deal.
Abio, ìgbìyànjú ni bàbá, I don't gbìyànjú ni.
Yeah, so when I saw you guys online, that first time, I don't know if it was Tunde or not that posted it. I just followed you. I think I was following Natalia. I don't know if I followed your wife as well.
Natalia, is Baba following you?
Not yet, Baba.
My wife says she's angry.
Yeah, they vessel, but make we not talk online about that.
What happened?
I sent you message.
For where? For DM?
I just sent you an invite.
For DM now, you said?
For DM, yes.
Yeah.
No, I never see her. Maybe I never
DM too more, Baba.
Maybe not because I know they follow you. I will go check now. I'll go check.
Yeah.
Okay, I should go.
I like you guys.
How do you cope with your children?
I know.
I can't hear any noise coming from them. I see my Pikin.
No, this ones, honestly, they are quiet. I'm a naturally quiet person as well. So
how old are they?
One is 11. One is 11. One is 9. And one is 6.
Oh, okay. So they are quite big already.
Yes. They're not.
Oh, okay. This one is 4. I'm Mama Ibeji. So
Mama,
this one is 4.
Yes,
they are twins.
Mama,
Yes, so this is the one. This one is 5. And the key is 4. And then his brother is coming.
Wait, so
but you know, we don't have my mama from Nigeria. They come sometimes to take care of the kids, but we don't have any help, so it's not been easy.
It's not been easy. Ẹ má dán ni ọjọ́ tán. Ọjọ́ balẹ̀ tán. That's so much fun to see.
I'm learning Yoruba from them as well.
Eléyìí jọ bàbá ẹ̀ o.
Yakub abi.
Ó ṣojú bíi ti dáàdì báyìí.
Ngbọ́ wọ́n ní wà dáàdì rẹ̀ wọ́n lè jọra yín wọ́n lè rí bákan náà wọ́n ní ojú rẹ̀ lẹ́nu ojú dáàdì kí ló tọ́ ni ojú mi àti ojú rẹ̀ wọ́n ló dàbí.
Mama,
Where are you from?
Kí ló fẹ́ sọ? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó nìyẹn?
Mele, você só fuma bapa, já comeu uma do mele.
O pessoal vai para Yakub ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin. Bàbá ti gbọ́. Ṣé mo ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin ni? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó? Sọ fún bàbá.
Ọmọ ọdún mélòó já comeu.
Ọmọ ọdún márùn, okay.
Eu digo para não ter muitos e os postos de lá.
Ó ti dínkù nínú ọmọ ọdún ẹ̀gbọ́n ìwọ ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin ni ìyẹn yarí pé rárá òun tó ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin márùn lò ó.
Ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin mọ́. Oh, you go to Baba pé Jacob ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin ni. Ṣé Jacob kan ní twin brother ni?
Kí lẹ sọ?
Àwọn ìwọ ni twin brothers.
Òun nìyí. Adam, Kamiwa. Wambi. No, oh, gbọ́. Àlìyá ò ní kú rẹ̀. Bọ́ síbí. Ó yá, kí bàbá. Sáàrọ̀ lè wà bálẹ̀.
Babalẹ̀.
Alẹ́, ó yá kí bàbá dáadáa.
Ẹ̀ka àlẹ̀ ẹ̀jọ̀ ọmọ.
Ẹ̀ka alẹ́. Sẹ́yìn ọmọ rẹ̀ àbí ẹ̀ka alẹ́ bàbá?
Ẹ̀ka àlẹ̀ bàbá. Ẹ̀ka àlẹ̀ ẹ̀yọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ka àlẹ̀ ẹ̀ka àlẹ̀ dada. Kìíní náà ní ibi ọ̀lì.
Kí ló ṣe fún Diori? Fìlà ni wọ́n dé.
Ẹ̀mí kí ló dé lé?
Fìlà tó wù wọ́n tó wọ́n dé, ó wù wọ́n náà ni wọ́n fi dé.
Kí ló tó dé yìí? Ní kí mo dé? Kí lè lè?
Wàhálà wọn pọ̀.
Oh, they are so much fun. They are so much
Thank
fun.
you.
So
Thank
you guys
you.
are
It's
inspiration.
nice to be here.
You guys are my inspiration.
Yeah.
Báwo ni?
Ọ̀fẹ́ o bàbá, o ti rí bàbá dáadáa nísìn.
Òtúrí àkàrà lọ́wọ́ yẹn.
Àǹkárá ni a ṣe fídíò kan tẹ́lẹ̀ náà jẹ́ parí fídíò ní so òun ò tí bọ́ aṣọ ẹ̀ lẹ̀. Àwọn yóò ti bọ́ sọ́lẹ̀ bọ̀ òun ò tí bá sọ́lẹ̀. Wow.
Lovely to speak with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ẹ ṣé gan.
Ṣé Ìbàdàn ló ti wá?
Ṣakí ni mo ti wá náà.
Ṣakí.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé kò sí bá ṣe máa lọ sí Ṣakí tà nígbà ìlú yín kọjá. Ṣé bí you are from Ìṣẹ́yìn now?
Láíláí, òkè o. Àwọn tòkè o.
You are from òkè o?
No, Ìṣẹ́yìn mo ti wá. Mo kàn sọ pé wàá gba òkè o.
Yeah, no, but most of the time, nísìnyí Ìṣẹ́yìn la máa ń gbà.
Okay.
Ìṣẹ́yìn la máa ń gbà. Kí n gba òkè o mọ́. Ọ̀nà òkè o ti bàjẹ́, à ń gbòkè o mọ́.
Ti bàjẹ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ìgbà wọlé ti lọ sílé last.
Ìgbà tèmi àti Ṣínà lọ, bóyá last 2 years.
Mi gbọ́.
Last 2 years, ọ̀nà yẹn ti bàjẹ́ tán.
Yeah, but ọ̀nà Ìbàdàn sí Ìṣẹ́yìn ò dáná sí ìbọ̀ tó yẹ kán ti tún ṣe.
No. Yeah. Ìbàdàn yẹn tá máa gba ẹgbẹ́ lẹ́kan báyìí ọ̀nà yẹn ọ̀dà.
Okay. Wow, that's nice. Ẹ kú àgbéga àṣà àti ìṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, and we love your music. So I expect the collaboration yẹn àti Burna Boy o.
Yeah, so èmi àti Burna ìṣòrí àti ṣorin kan tẹ́lẹ̀ olórin kan tá a ti pẹ̀lú Jimmy Jat.
Really?
Ẹ máa gbọ́ yẹn kẹ́ máa fi wet ara yín, ẹ máa fi wet appetite yín lẹ̀.
Okay, Nat. Baba said that you should be expecting the music from him and Burna Boy. They have done one before, and now they're planning another one.
Okay.
But do you have any kind of proposition?
Do you want to sing?
I don't know.
I mean, my Pikin can sing, but I don't know if you're okay with that.
Yes, now why not now?
Okay.
Oh yeah. Yakub, come ẹ wá kọrin fún bàbá.
Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ wa ẹ̀yin kò síbẹ̀ kò máa jalè ìwé kíkọ́ máa ṣàkọ́.
Àti àdá.
Àdàdà.
Kò ì pẹ́ o.
Kò pẹ́ o.
Ó yá kọ aeroplane tó lọ fún bàbá.
Aeroplane kan lọ kàmí kí ọ̀nà ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ̀kọ́ méjì.
Kọ̀ méjì kan fún mi. Oyún mi bàmúbàmú. Jìgìjìgì.
Làbẹ̀ igi. Ó ní làbẹ̀ igi.
Àtúnyẹ àmàjọ tìjì ẹlẹ́yìnkẹ́ ọ̀dìjẹ́ nkẹ́.
Ó yá kọ má kọ làbẹ̀ igi mọ́. Ó yá kọ òjò ń rọ̀.
Òjò ń rọ̀ ẹni tí mo máa ka bàbá lẹ́gì.
Ọyọ̀kan ní kó kọ́, ọyọ̀kan náà ni ó kọ́.
Abẹ́ igi ọlọ́mbọ ẹ̀bẹ̀ abẹ́sẹ̀lẹ̀ wà inú wàdùn àbáyà abẹ́ igi ọlọ́mbọ.
Ó pàtẹ́wọ́ fún ẹ.
Ẹ ṣeun. Wá kọ national anthem Yorùbá Nàìjíríà fún bàbá. Ìlú mi ló fẹ́ kọ. Ó yá kọ ìlú mi fún bàbá ńgbà.
Ilé orin Ṣakí ọ̀dàrà ọ̀dọ̀ ó lè wọ pọ̀pọ̀ ọ̀gbọ̀n. Ibi tí mo lọ. Lọ́sọ̀bí.
Okay.
Wow.
Eléyìí tí mo fẹ́ kó kọ ní national anthem orin orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà.
Ìlú
Dìde ẹ̀yin ará.
orin Ṣakí ló kọ yẹn, orin Ṣakí ló kọ
Orin
yẹn.
Ṣakí ló kọ, mo wá fẹ́ kó kọ national anthem oní Yorùbá. Ṣé wàá kọ fún bàbá? Dìde ẹ̀yin ará. Dìde sókè kan gbọ́, dìde sókè kan rí.
Yàrá wà jẹ́ pé náà ti jàkàrí fẹ̀sílẹ̀wọ̀ pẹ̀lú kọ̀sí bàbá. Kèsè àwọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ oníwà kan mẹ́rin sásàtẹ̀.
Kàsí.
Kàsí tókè tààrà.
Ìlú.
Ìlú torí nìlá tàlàfíà tó tókè.
That's the first time I go hear that one be this. So, yeah.
They still have more songs in their arsenal. They are not just feeling like singing this evening.
Yoruba national anthem. That's the first time I go hear.
Abio.
I want it. That was really lovely. You guys are good.
Thank you.
You guys are inspiration. Tell them I be their fan. No.
Kí lẹ sọ.
Tell them, sọ fún wọn pé fan wọn ni mí o.
Bàbá ní àwọn nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín gan-an ni o. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Ṣé iná nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn? Jẹ́lẹ̀ mú kí ni? Ẹ̀bùn. Ta ló máa fún yín lẹ́bùn? Èmi. Mo ṣàdéhùn. Mi ì ṣàdéhùn fún ẹ o. Nígbà wo mo ṣàdéhùn?
Kí tẹ̀ lè sí kò bá pass me.
Mi gbọ́ kí ló ní mo sọ. Mo ní ta bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ bùn. Nígbà wo mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún yín? Lónìí náà ni. Ìrọ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀ ń parọ́ mọ́ mi. Ta ni ń parọ́? Ó sọ pé bàbá rẹ̀ ń parọ́. Ó sọ pé bàbá rẹ̀ ń parọ́. Ó fẹ́ kábùkù.
Ẹ̀yin kábùkù. Ẹ̀yin kábùkù.
Ìyá yín kábùkù. Ó dà bàbá ẹ ṣé o.
God bless you. You guys are so lovely. They are just too. They have like fresh air. You know, they're like fresh air. You know, hello kabuku. Kabuku. All these words I've never used them in like forever. You know, and seeing these kids out there doing their thing now, that's what inspired me to start teaching my kids Yoruba. Like I'm like, what can be all this nonsense? What can be all this nonsense over there? You say, teach your children your language, but not do yourself. Auntie Mori, dolly not. Man, I've been here for like what, 2 hours? Thereabout, yeah. 1 hour plus, yeah. So, yeah, thank you, Yoruba Pikin. I will go follow your wife and also JD Boy and who's that other person? That was real fun. So I've not been here on live for a minute, so I just said I should check on you guys, and I spent like 2 hours there, you see. So one love to everybody. Go and get my new song, Fire. It's really fire. You need to get it. If you get it, and I come back live, I'll perform for you guys with my band. So let's do that. One love, everybody. Peace out.